Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. JJ is here once again with you on YouTube. Before we get started, I'm just going to give you a little teaser on what this is about. It's called clickbaiting. Believe it or not, I'm going to talk to you about clickbaiting. So, we're going to roll the B-roll. So do stick around right here with me, your boy JJ, on JJ's PC Builds. Alright, and welcome back. Glad you made it through the B-roll. It could have been a long one, it could have been a short one, just to let you know. Okay, let's get started with clickbaiting. Okay, understand what clickbaiting is. Basically, it's where somebody wants you to click onto their videos so that way they can get paid for the clicks. Okay, the thing is this. My channel is not a clickbait channel. Okay, I'm just going to make that point to you. This is not a clickbait channel. I don't have paid advertisers. I don't get paid on YouTube. If I did, that would be something new. It'd be interesting. It would help build the channel even better, but I don't get paid on YouTube. I post videos daily because I want everybody to see and feel my experience, and it has nothing to do with getting paid. I don't have paid sponsors. I pay for my own stuff. You know, it'd be nice to have a sponsor to say, to email me and say, hey, would you like to advertise this product on your YouTube? Advertising a product's not clickbaiting. I'm not asking you to go buy a product. I basically benchmark all the products that I have here, and then when I run out, I'll go buy something else, something new. But as far as the up-to-date stuff, I haven't gotten it yet, and I do apologize. I haven't gotten a 4090. It's too expensive, plus it's out of stock. A lot of your high-end graphics cards are out of stock. With the motherboards, that's a little different story. We're working towards that, and processors, we're working towards that. There's things that, that cost money. And, with me on a limited budget, I'm just explaining myself to you so you understand that I'm not clickbaiting you to watch my videos. I would love if you did watch all my videos from start to finish. This way it gives me, helps me build the channel, I'm just saying. I'm just trying to build this channel, trying to get it up there, trying to get up above 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I got my birthday coming up next month, which is round the corner. It would be nice to be above 1,000 subscribers, and it'd be nice to have over 4,000 watch hours from the subscribers and YouTube's on this, on this platform. I have, at this point, that's my first goal. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours to get myself recognized with YouTube on YouTube. So, and my next goal, as soon as I reach the first goal, I'll let you know about the second goal. And then we go on from there, and we build up and up and up to where, this channel becomes awesome, most popular channel just as much popular as the rest of the channels here on YouTube. Yeah, I'm working my way to be a creator. I know my videos suck. I'm going to be honest with you. I know my videos suck. I'm still learning the video curve, how to do the videos. So don't judge me until I find better ways and newer ways to make the videos. I know my thumbnails suck. I know, I look like I'm 800 years old and y'all think I probably suck. But trust me, I've had a hard road in my years, and now I want to bring my experience to YouTube. Okay, I just want to explain, this is not a clickbait channel, so you understand and you get the lowdown of where I'm coming from with this. I don't want to make this video too long on about what clickbaiting is about. Clickbaiting is where, you get paid for it. Okay, and I'm just going to explain this again. I do not get paid nothing. I get nothing in my pocket here. I'm not asking anybody for any money or nothing. If I decide to sell merchandise up on my channel, it will be t-shirts and stuff like that. Stuff you guys would enjoy, that you can take and buy from a different source, but my designs, So, what do I get out of it? Near to nothing. So, even if you bought a shirt or something from these reputable sources that are, somewhat like a sponsor, I don't get but nickels and dimes. Okay? So, understand that. I mean, this is a full-time gig for me. I do this full-time now. I do 2 to 3 to 4 and 5 videos a day. But I'm just saying, my channel is not clickbait. We are an honest channel. There's only one employee, which is me. I'm the only person here that does the videos, edits the videos, makes the videos, got his face on the videos, and that's the end of the story. I don't have any clickbanks or clickbaits or anything else. So I just wanted to get that clear to you so everybody understands. When you watch this video, you'll understand very carefully that this is not a clickbait channel. Okay? I would love for you guys to watch my videos. I mean, I recommend you watch my videos. If you don't like my videos, I understand you don't want to watch my videos. But if you like my videos, you like my videos. Everybody's got their own personal taste. Their own preferences. My niche is, and I'm going to tell you what my niche is. My niche is to grow this channel and make it a PC building channel. From A to Z. Okay, understand. A to Z is. Oh, and let's finish this before I go to the next. Okay, from A to Z means from the parts, you build it all together. There's no cutting the video or anything. I make all the videos in a whole, and if the video is too long, I break it up into parts. I might post all the parts the same day. I might post it different days. You never know. Some people might like it all at one time. Some people might like it day by day. So, it all depends. This is the reason why I say you can comment down below, give me feedback, let me know what you like or you don't like. I mean, I can take criticism. If I'm wrong on something, I'm sure you're going to call me out on it. I've already been called out once, but I proved the point in a different video that I was right, but I'm not right on everything. I don't know everything. I'm not a know-it-all. I don't know everything. But when it comes to PCs, I do know PCs. Okay, just to say, I got 35 plus years, and this has been a hobby, and I'm bringing my hobby to YouTube, just to let you know. But anyway, if you want to become part of the family, you want to be in the JJ's PC Builds fam, hit the subscribe button. And if you like my videos, then like my videos. Put a like button on it. Put a like on it. And watch the videos from the beginning to the end. It costs nothing. Costs nothing to do it. I just figure I'd bring that in there. But anyway, we're going to get up out of here. I wanted to make this real quick to you. This is not a clickbait channel. Just for FYI. Until the next video, we will see you the next time.